2024 BMW R Nine T 1200. The new BMW, like the old one, is less about performance and more about looks. The HP2 engine used in the new R Nine T is cleaner but still distinctive. It quivers, wobbles and revs, but it makes real power and produces a deep, smooth soundtrack. It's still powered by an air or oil-cooled DOH flat twin 1170cc engine, producing 108 bhp, 85 pound-feet of torque, and changes to the motor are limited to help it pass increasingly stringent emissions regulations. BMW has managed to give it Euro 5+ certification, despite the lack of liquid cooling. It's also packed with performance. Its handling is also unconventional with its pitching shaft drivetrain. It's precise through corners, with excellent stopping power. The S1000RR-derived forks are now fully adjustable, and it still runs the familiar shaft drivetrain at the rear. The BMW has a long, low stance and relatively comfortable steering, even when driven hard. The R Nine T's new tubular steel frame is lighter, simpler and easier to manufacture. A new capless exhaust system and the airbox have been moved under the seat, so there is no longer a visible air intake along the lower right side of the fuel tank. The cylinder head has been redesigned and rider aids include rain, road and dynamic modes, traction control and ABS.